Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 Box Break site. Back breaking after a week. A week from not breaking. Back at it. Last night's Buy It Now. Thanks for everyone's patience of 11-12 contenders. Sold out really fast. So we'll break that first, then we'll move on to tonight's auction of Crown Royal. So let's quickly run through our teams for last night's Buy It Now. So it's February 14th. We've got Golf Nut, Sean, 1999-77. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your trip. Crow, DJ Nell's mom, Zach Laurie. Golf Nut's got a couple more. Crow, Bummer Boy. And you guys see who you have. So this was a dual team Buy It Now. So our box number as stated in the description. So 18119469. So we'll take bonuses that come along with the Buy It Now breaks. We'll take 2 spots for bonus box break 17. And 3 spell and win letters. For Buy It Now breaks, if you check the listing, Todd, there is no bonus for 5+. For auctions, there is. We give 3 letters, and then our 2 spots for the bonus break. Alright, our box of contenders. Let's hope for a good one. Box empty. Alright, good luck to everyone. Pack number 1. Base, base, base. Start with a base pack. Base, base, base. Base, base. Our first hit going to the New York Islanders. And Golf Nut. Number 354 out of 800. Calder Contenders Auto of Calvin DeHaan. And base. Base, base. Calder Contender rookie number 682 out of 999 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And Crow, Brian Straight. Base, base. And a base pack. Base, base for the Montreal Canadiens. DJ Nell's mom, Cup Contender, numbered 529 out of 999. We've got Scott Gomez. And base. Another base pack. base. Downfall of Contenders, too many base packs. Base, and that the cards are upside down most of the time. Another base pack. For the New Jersey Devils, Calder Contender Auto, numbered 130 out of 800. And New Jersey, DJ and L's mom, you get Adam Larson. And base. Base pack. Numbered 77 out of 100. It's a gold parallel base for the Florida Panthers and Golf Nut, Jose Theodore. And base. Got an NHL Ink Gold going to Golf Nut again and the Vancouver Canucks. You've got one of the Sedin sisters, Danielle Sedin. This is a gold version. Not sure what they're out of. Not numbered. Oh, yeah, it's numbered. Numbered out of 25. Numbered 13 of 25. Oh, congrats, Todd. And base. 3 packs left. And base. And another hit for the Vancouver Canucks and Golf Nut, numbered 153 out of 999, Cup Contender Roberto Luongo. And base, and final pack. And another NHL Ink. This one for the Montreal Canadiens. And DJ Nell's mom, Aaron Palushai. And base. Alright, so we'll move on to our bonuses. So I think I may have, since I believe a few guys did think there was the 5+ team bonus, I will add it in for this break. So if you had 5+ teams in this Contenders break, so just give me a sec while I see who had it. I'll give you guys a letter for that. So we got Golf Nut. And Crow. DJ Nell's mom. Yeah, so we had 3 Golf Nut, Crow, DJ Null's mom. So you guys had 5+ teams. So I think I know where I did the confusion, because this was the first dual team buy it now since this spell and win. So letters for Golf Nut, Crow, DJ Null's mom. So we'll start with Golf Nut. So your letter for spell and win for having 5+ teams will be letter I. Another letter I for Todd. Or Crowlicious. Crow gets the letter S. And for DJ Null's mom, Aaron will get another E. Now we'll take 3 letters and assign them to teams. So first letter will be another letter E. And that will go to owner of the Philadelphia Flyers. That is Golf Nut. Second letter. We've got an O. That will go to the Florida Panthers, which is also Golf Nut. And third and final one for this break. Another E. And that will go to the Washington Capitals. And that is Crowlicious. So now we'll take 2 chips for a bonus box break 17. So you guys may have seen I haven't done bonus box break 16 yet. I am going to wait to fill bonus box break 17, and then I'm working on something special for bonus box break 16 and 17. So if everyone could just be patient, it'll most likely be worth the wait. So a spot in bonus box break 17 will be the Colorado Avalanche, Golf Nut, and second spot, so it's 2 spots in a buy it now break, and that will be the Nashville Predators, and that is Sean 1989-77. So the 2 of you get spots in bonus box break 17. So that ends it for this Contenders break, guys. So thanks again for everyone who purchased spots. If you haven't made your payment, please do so as soon as possible. And I'll be right back on with our auction break of Crown Royal. Thanks, and enjoy.